Okay, welcome to the club of 1248. 1248 to the left and 1248 to the right in reading binary. Peace be with us all. Be happy always. And always pray to our Creator. Okay, so do unto others what you do not want others do unto you. Let's we must have love to our neighbors, love yourself, love your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and love your neighbor as you love yourself. So let's spread love in all over the world. Let's have peace. So I have my friend, and he's telling me that he learned Excel in the office without any teacher. There's a lot of people with experience. They just experienced that one. Okay, so I will just do. My topic today is the cursor movement, which is very important in Excel. So it makes your life easy. Okay, so easier in doing it. So before that, before I proceed, I want to stop first. Okay, so that is one thing here. Before I forgot, let's say 1, 2. Okay, you have to drag this one, and you will create a number. Okay, automatic. So that is an automatic formula of Excel. The feeling that there is here Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday, and once you click here and you drag here until there, and it will create a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right? There is a formula in Excel. You can edit that. Okay, you can edit that and create your own. But that's not our topic. I don't know where to find it. So it's okay. There is. Okay. So you find it. Okay, because our topic today is cursor movement. See, it's very fast. So what you're going to do is another thing. Let's say your boss give you a lot of data. Lots of data there. Okay. It happened that this data, this one, which equals plus 1. Enter and copy this one here. Okay, until here, you copy here until there and enter. Okay, so let's say we have until 100. Okay, so we have to do control home to go back and try this. Highlight. What you are going to do is to go here and put some mark. Put that one as X or C. It's up to you. And you hold the shift and control down. That is selecting. And after selecting that, you review my code here. I give you already some tips, and you can fill it with the formula to the right in a row. Fill the formula, control R. Okay, so let's try control R. Fill the formula. Okay, so let's try here. Because this is a formula already. Okay. you need to press shift if you are selecting. Shift, control down arrow. See, automatic, you are already in the, if it is in 1000, automatic, you are in 1000. Okay. Control R. Hold shift and down. For the formulas. Sorry, control D. Fills a formula down in column. Okay, smile. Don't cry. Okay. Okay. Control D as in boy. Control D as in dog. Okay. See, very fast. That's another shortcut. Instead of dragging, just highlight and fill it up. So now, the important here is that, let's say your boss said, can you divide that into 10? 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. No worries, sir. You can put here 1. And as you can see, the sequence, those numbers are increasing also because of the formula. Okay? Okay, that's it. That's the goodness of God. That is the goodness of, you know, the formula. Okay? And from here, you want to delete row. Okay? There is a command here to delete row. See? Select row, delete. Oh, control plus minus column, control minus. So she select first. Shift space bar to select entire row. Shift space bar. Okay. Shift space bar. Oh, see, select the entire row and control minus to delete. Ta-da! See, easy, right? So review that one, inserting row, select the column, but that's not our topic. Okay. Our topic is called cursor movement. Now, the first thing, I finished already this formula. I just want to finish this, okay? Because I want to include it in Excel formula and I forgot to add this one. So let's say you have that number and control C. Okay, you copy it, control C. Let's say you want to stop those formula and you can paste that one as a value. You put it back in the values and click OK, and this one will become a normal number. No more formulas. Okay, so if you type here 1, it will not change anymore. Okay, the goodness of you have a number here, sometime your boss asks you to sort this column. Can you sort this column for me? Okay. And what you did is data sort here and continue with the current selection. Okay, sort only. Okay. Sort by column B. Okay. Values. Okay. A to Z. Okay. Let's do ascending order. Click OK. Oh, you see, it's this one automatically changed. So I want to put it back. So you cannot put it back anymore. You are lucky because you have number here. So shift control down, you can select. Shift right arrow, you can select also. You see, very fast. You are very fast in selecting once you know the secret, the arrow. So now you select now in column A and voila, tang! It will go back to the original position. Okay, that's one of the technique. So now, okay, so from here, let's start now with our main lesson. Okay, class. Our lesson for today is about math. It's about cursor movement. So this is the cursor. That's our cursor. Okay. So here you can type here A 1 million. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 million. Enter. See? In the blink of the eye, you are in 1,000. If you do not know how to do it, control home to go back. How you go to 1,000? 1 million. Are you going to press arrow 1 million times? Are you going to page down 1 million times? 1,000 times? No. Okay? So this is the example of that. Take the column letter and the row number. So you can go here G7. Okay? So you are here now. So that's one thing. You can use this area to go to that page. Okay? Let's say you memorize the area. Now, the next one is page down, page up. But before that, let's delete all of this. And done. See? Okay, later on. Let's try now. First of all, our lesson for today is the control plus arrow. Minus. Plus arrow. Okay? Remember this, control plus arrow. So meaning you take a look at of your keyboard and you have an up arrow. that is down. You have a down arrow. You have an up arrow. You have a right arrow. You have a right arrow. And that is wrong. Rewind. You have the right arrow and you have the left arrow. Alright? So we are going to explore this. Control plus arrows. Hold the control and run. Hold the control and play with these arrows. Okay. Without anything in your Excel, in a plain sheet. Control down. See? Control down. You see? You are already in the maximum row number. 1,448,576. You try that in the new version. You can see there's so many. Okay, so 1 million data. Control up, then you will go back to original position. Control up, and you will now go back to A1. A1 is the home. Okay. And control right, and you will be in the last column of your Excel. Remember that. And if you want to control down in that area, you are also on the square area of the Excel. But it should be that one should be 1,000. Wait, we need to do like this because it affects the Excel. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to, on this side, control down, and you can see control left, control up, control right. You rotate for 1 million in a second. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, that's the one. So the next one is page down. Okay, page down. Okay, let's write in the screen. Maybe there are beginners, they don't know page down. This one. And page up. You can see that in your keyboard. Okay, there is page up and page down in the keyboard. Find it. It is on the right side near the numlock. Okay, but how about if we put Alt plus page down? See? How about if there is Alt plus page up? Okay? Okay, let's try this, class. Escape. If you watch my video, you watch the half of your video, my tutorial, you post, then you learn. You divide your screen into two. You know how to do that. Window arrow. You press your window and do the arrow like that. Window to the right. And this one is the half. You can do like that. You're watching my video here, pause, and you try here. Okay, if you do not have two screen. Okay? So let's do the maximize. Okay, so proceed to, don't talk too much. Okay, page down. As you can see here, we have 25. What next to the 25? 26. Page down. Oh, see? It is one screen already. 50. Page down. 51. Control home. Go back to original position. Okay? Control plus home in your keyboard. Go back to A1. Okay? In the first cell. That is the root. Okay? Control home. Okay. Okay. Now, so how about if you want one screen to the right? This is important. I told you. You have to be aware of this, because you're tired of moving your hand, tired of moving the mouse, and there's a lot of, you will become tired in Excel, I told you. As you can see on this right side, there is U. What is it? A, B, C, D, A, S, T, U, V. You know, I know all people of the world know alphabet, so win victory, right? So let's try now. Alt, page down. Oh, see? It go to you automatic. Alt, page down. Alt, page up, and it will go back to the original position. Remember this, huh? Remember that, class. Memorize that cursor movement, okay? Memorize first. Memorize. Okay? So, what next? Okay. The next one is I'm going to teach you how the Excel work in every column with the next value is blank. Okay? Remember this. You can use that control down. Okay? Because last time we have a clear sheet. No type, no record. Hold on for a while. And a few moments later, so I will hold for a while. Okay, so let's say we copy this to copy here. So we copy that one. Control C, control down. There's a shortcut on my it happened the shortcut in there's a shortcut on my Zoom that it detect the okay, so no worry. So here we can put here imagine this is 1 kilometer, okay? 1 kilometer distance every click. Okay? It happened now, this is just 1 kilometer. I mean, this is 1 to 1 million, 1 to 1 million row. So because I will explain you it's more, then you can apply this in a big okay. So we are going to put here another letter, so you can see the movement. Okay, so the lesson is the same. Control down, the first one. if you press control down, the Excel will detect the next cell after the blank cell. So meaning if you control down, automatically it will stop on the, this is blank, that's why it stop here. Okay, control down, then press control down, then it will jump again on the next blank. See, remember that. Oh, see, it will, then it will go back. Oh, see, it will jump on the next next vacant row, next column with the vacant cell. Vacant, then the next one. See, because sometimes you have a lot of data. Let's say you have a worksheet here. That's your worksheet, and trying to highlight all here to the right. Control C, then you can put here an X to mark that one. Okay, control left, control C, then I want to go there. Control shift to the right is selecting, and then I can press enter. Later I will teach you the shift, because shift easy. Once you memorize the cursor movement, you combine it with shift. Remember that. This is what happened. But I will explain to you. Every cursor movement that you will learn on this tutorial, okay, combine with shift on your keyboard, and what happened? If you have shift, you are selecting the cells. Okay, so meaning I'll teach you, there is also one up arrow, down arrow, right arrow. You try to hold the shift, down arrow, right arrow, down arrow, right arrow. You see, shift and home, and that you will go to the last edited cell that you put a value. That's the shift and home. Okay, what's that? Again, shift plus end plus home. Remember that. The shift, you are holding the shift and home, and you can also type end home only without shift, end home without shift. You are not selecting, correct? Okay, because if there is shift, you are selecting. So let's try now. Control home, go into A1, end home. Oh, you go already in line 27, because that is the last area I edited. Let's say I edited a 1 million. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I go to 1 million and I type my teach yourself here. Teach yourself. And that's how big is your data. Then your boss said, can you copy the whole worksheet? Or half of the worksheet? Let's say like that. But you can copy here in sheet, huh? Right click and copy. What I am saying is there are some options that it will happen to you, that you want to track the last edited cell in worksheet, end home. Oh, you see, you will go to the last edited cell, meaning this is the last you edit when you are young. While you are doing your work. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now so if you are trying to copy this F, okay, I want to copy this F into A to 1 million, just hold the shift and press end home and press Control B, and it will fill up the whole 1 million by F. and I'm out of memory. If you are out of memory, it's too big. Let's say, press delete and it will delete all. Hold delete and it will delete all. So the thing is, once you delete that, no more. Do you think there's no more data? You try, press end home and still go here. So meaning it's still alive, the row. Okay? So sometimes then you save, then it will save until there. So that's why if you want to make sure, actually if you save this file, you come back and try end home and take a look if you are still there. Okay? Still in 1 million or no more. But in case it happen, you hold this shift end home. So you are selecting the row and right click and delete. But there is a shortcut here, the control minus, right? Okay, so control home. You see we are working in 1 is to 1 million. How to go to 1 million? You can type A 1 million, but if you are working with your files. Okay, so shift and home. We are now in 1 million. Okay, so let's select that one. And click here. Shift and home. We are selecting the row 1 million. And what is the command in deleting row? Control minus, right? To delete the control minus on your keyboard to delete selected row. Okay, so what you're going to do is to come back in here or Excel and press control minus, and the entire row has been deleted, and it's deleting a 1 to 1 million row. Okay, so now you try end home and still there, but if you save your file, it's not there already. Okay, if you try to save this one, let's try to save this one, book 1. Okay, and there is a suggestion here, book 1. Okay, so you can go to our video here and click save. Okay, so now once you are here, you save and try to open that one. Let's open book 1 and press end home. Cannot move anymore. Okay, it will not move anymore. Press end home and home, no more. Meaning that's how you do it. Because sometimes many people, they edit until 10,000, then they become 10 lines already, but if they do not know, there are some here which is active. Okay, that's how you clean your Excel. Why my Excel only few text, then the byte is 1 million. Okay, so you have to do like that. Okay, so what else? Okay, so this is now, let's say you are in 1 million, A1 million. Well, let's say A1000 only. So we are here now in A1000, and we have data here. Okay, and let's try to copy this and keep control up and enter, and you will automatically copy 1000 row in a second. Okay. Okay, so control home and you have this control down and you will go to 1000. Okay, that's why I told you, if there is a space here, control up, control down, and you see it will track the next blank cell. Okay, that's the thing, that is the use of control. Okay, so now the technique here is, let's say your boss told you to, can you copy this until here, and you put an X. Can you copy this until here? You put an X. Okay, Y X is Y. Y X stands for, this is how you do it. Shift control down, I told you. Then there is another blank arrow here, blank row, right? I no more because I remove it. Okay, but if there is a blank arrow, it will stop there. Remember that. So copy, Control C, then Control Home, hold the shift, Control down. Oh, I see, it will go to the last mark that you did, and you can press Enter. That's the thing. See, you are doing 1,000 cell, and remember that if you press shift, you are selecting. Okay, then the end home, that is the last part that we edit here. We type an X here. Oh, the X is here. Okay, let's try. Yeah, because we copy all. But if you copy only one, you hold the shift, control down, and go there and press control V as in victory to paste and shift. Okay, that's the use of that. That's why shift and home, you copy all, hold the shift and left. Remember this, you are holding the shift, control C, and go here and go and copy here, one here and one here. Okay, and there are some you can divide your screen. Okay, you can divide your screen here. There is a, from here there is a shortcut here in Windows that you can drag this one to divide your screen. Okay, then you can, there is a shortcut also here that you can divide your screen. Okay, so then you can click here, you can adjust this whatever you want. You can play with one document. Okay, that is what we call window splitting. It is in the view here and split. You can remove that. Okay, control home. Okay, and you are in A1. End home, and we are now in the last selected document. That's why if you want to copy all and you are doing your work, let's say shift and home, I want to copy my data, control C, you copy already, control C, and go to another sheet here and just run the control V in case you do like that. But you can copy the sheet if you want. They are want the same. It's up to you because not. It depends on the situation. Actually, let's say you have some data below. Okay. Okay. Let's say you divide your data only 500 from 960. Control Shift, Control right. You see, it's jumping. It's a jumping. Jump to the next cell which is blank. See? Oh, you can delete that. Control up, go up, control down. You are now on the next blank cell. Because sometimes you want to add total. I want to total. So you are pressing page down. Just press end home and you are on your last document and add the total here. So you can type total. Okay? That's the thing. Okay? So, what else? Okay, let's say this is the name of a person. Okay, let's do it. This is a name. Use in zoom. Press control down. That is zooming, so it will affect the option movement. So, let's say this is the name, and this is the address, and this is the salary column here. Then I want to copy all 1,000 here. So you have to press control down. Press control down. Sorry. Press control down. Okay, you are now on the last. But another control down. You are now on the last. Then another control down. It will go to 1 million. Okay, so to the maximum area. So what you are going to do, let's say you want to copy that 1,000 until here, this, because this is your total. You can put X here, okay? Then control up, remove that one, control up, and control C, copy. You are selecting now, shift, control down, and you can press control D. See, control D is filling up the formula, okay? Or you can press enter, it's copying. It's very fast. Okay? You need to run that. Let's say you want to add total at the bottom. If you do not know cursor movement, get the page down until you reach the bottom. I told you we are working in a big file. Let's say this one is 10,000. You are going to press page down. You're going to scroll your mouse on the right until you reach the end. So it's not nice actually. From here you can press control down and in split seconds you are on the last. And you can sum it. Sum, close parenthesis, here, shift, control up. You are selected already, still holding the shift. And move one arrow, you see, move one arrow, you can go to the left. Which I told you, you are still shipping. And you can press enter and it will be total in a split second. You see? That's why shift you are selecting. Okay? So, that's why you want to select here until here. You can type shift and right arrow one by one, but if you press control, it will jump to the next blank column. Okay? Because you are, and you want to delete that. So if this one is straight with a value here, there are value here, so meaning no blank cell. You press shift, because you are selecting shift control to the right. In a split seconds, you select the whole row and delete it. Or you can control B to apply bold letters, control I for italic, control U for underline. Okay? Remember what I told you. If you're holding shift, you are selecting. You see? Shift and home, selected. Shift control home, you see, you select all. Okay? Control home. Without shift and home, you are in the document. Without shift, you can freely move your cursor. Okay? But if you hold shift, that is the time that if you are playing with the cursor movement, that is the time you are selecting. Remember that. Play first the cursor movement without shift. Once you master it, you want to select something. I want to select this one. From 1 to the end of the file, hold the shift and control down and automatically select it. Okay, so there's one thing. If you press, let's say you want to select this, hold the control. I want to select this, press the control, and you can select one by one. Okay? And that is control. It is a customized selection, and you can type control B to bold those selected areas. That is pressing control and clicking the mouse. Okay? No. So you try to control home here, try to play with the alt page down to go to the next screen, alt page up. Just play the one what I told you. Okay, and run all these commands here. Okay, you pause my video and you can try all of this. Control Shift plus, insert a row below. Control Shift plus. Like what I told you, you can press window arrow to make it half, and click this one to make an half. Okay, so that's how you divide your window. So from here, control shift, insert row below. Let's say you want to select the row. What is the command? Control space bar. Sorry, that is column. Sorry, it should be shift space bar. What is that? Column. Select entire row is shift. So funny. Okay. So that's how you do it. And if you want to delete it, control minus, and it will delete. Okay. About if you want to delete all, shift and home and control minus. See, there is another control shift and home, and play control minor. And you have only, because we divided our data, and now you have only two data. Okay, so these are important also in filling up your formula. Control D fills the formula in a column, because if you have formula here, let's say this is the formula, equals you are summing this even though it is a text. So you will see that's an error, but if you don't want, okay, then let's say you want to copy this, hold the shift, control right, what I told you, hold the shift and control, and move your arrow to the right, and it will detect those next blank cells. Okay, and if you press enter, you want to copy, let's say you want to copy this data, okay, control C and shift to the right and press enter, until the end. You will copy until the end of the row. So it's too fast, that's why. So let's say you want to copy this formula from shift to the right until the end. You have to press control R. Okay, you press control R, automatically this one will fill up. Shift control to the right and control R, and that is the formula. You see, it is fast working in Excel, you know, as long as you understand. Let's say you want to total this below, I want to copy all from here. Well, just mark that one and copy this one and control C and control down, press shift control down until there, and just press control B and it's done. Okay, because until the maximum column, that we reach the maximum column, that's why it's how many is this column to the right? From XF0, you see, from XFD, how many column is that one? See, you want to count? Yeah, equals column, there's a formula column here. Okay, let's say you want to count the column. Let's do the blank here. Let's say blank here. Equals, okay, equals column number of a reference. I think column count column, count A. I think this one, count A, meaning you can review that in a syntax. Okay, and from here, you see, we are going to jump, control shift to the right and press enter. You see, you jump in 16,383 column in a second. See? As I told you, cursor movement is very important in Excel. Don't go back to original position. I'm sorry because the zoom it is I cannot zoom it because the zoom it control arrow are zoom out. So every time I press the control arrow, control down, it will zoom out and zoom in. Okay, so I have to put it in a small screen. You want to delete all? Hold the shift and home and delete, and all will be empty. That's why I told you, don't forget, practice first the cursor movement without shift, because once you partner the cursor movement with shift, you are selecting. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our tutorial. If you find it useful and informative, please subscribe. Okay, thank you for this is a huge file until 16,000 days, so you can multiply. Okay, I will report to you what time it will stop deleting. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our topic. Okay, so it's a huge file, and until to the last column. That's okay. Maybe my okay. Goodbye now. What happened? Let's wait. It's not responding now. Maybe out of memory. If it is out of memory, just click close and cancel. If you do not want to wait. Okay, I will close the program because it's out of memory, maybe. Because it's very seldom happen that you consume all the 168,000 row. Because of the cursor movement, that's why you can blame yourself. You're not the cursor movement, and it's fast. Okay. You know already the plan. So next time I will teach you some more tips or more style how you make your Excel good and safe. Thanks so much for watching. Okay. Goodbye.